Kookaburra often live in herds, and some species tend to live with extended families, including descendants from previous breeding seasons. Kookaburras often share their territory with other birds, but they can also become conservative and defend their territory by emitting screams to warn off intruders. Although not an endangered species, preserving their natural habitat and territory. The kookaburra is a symbol of family togetherness, biological flexibility, and a friendly relationship between people and nature in Australia.